Hi everybody, I'm back again and I'm testing out the Disco Kitten I Do Care illuminating diamond peel off mask. So I'm going to leave it on for the 20-30 minutes, and I will let you know. And I also tried out the Paris Hilton soap, and I will give you the review of that too when I'm done letting this set off and I peel it off. Okay? See you then. You guys have fun and listen to some music or something. Okay, hi everybody, I'm back, and I want to give you my review of the I Do Care Disco Kitty illuminating diamond peel off mask that I had on. It's great. It looks really weird while it's on, but when you peel it off, your face definitely is brighter. So I do like that. And your face does feel smoother than other peel off face mask. So I do like that. I know I've heard some people say, let me try to open it here, sorry. I've heard some people say that it has glitter in it, and honestly, if you're looking, I'm not seeing any glitter. Now, I do know that it does have, like, different types of, like, stones in it, like diamond, topaz, amethyst, and pearl, and, you know, it just has, different ones. So, but I didn't see any glitter in it, and I know it has some organic flowers in it too, but I'm not seeing any glitter in it, so that's a good thing. So people that don't like glitter on their face, so you can try that. But I know people that would have compromised immune systems probably know what they want to put on their face and know what they don't want to put on their face. It's just their own personal preference. And sorry, my hair is kind of messy. And sorry for the shower sound in the background. I getting ready. After I did that, I am going to be, getting a shower afterwards. So, that's my review on that product. Now, let's see. The Paris Hilton dual action cleansing gel, that works really well too. You don't need a lot at all. I made the mistake and I accidentally used too much. So when you use it, be careful. You really don't need that much at all. So yeah, it even says on here, you know, use twice daily, squeeze a small amount into the palm of your hand and a tidbit of water. Well, I just thought, well, I'll just put a little bit in my hand, I think it was like normal soap and put it on my face. Well, no, it actually lathers up a lot, so you really don't need that much at all. So, other than my own hair, I really do like this. So, I'm going to give this, 5 stars, and that the Disco Kitten I Do Care illuminating diamond peel up mask, 5 stars. So, just wanted to give you guys that review. And so just wanted to, check back in with you guys since I told you guys to listen to some music. And you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in another video. And God bless, and have a good day. And say hi, peanut butter. Say bye. Bye, everybody.